So students, in today's lecture, we will discuss that what are the marketing strategies or which are the strategies which are used by Pakistani pharmaceutical companies to promote their products. So basically the words pharma market worth $300 billion and Pakistan pharma market worth $66.4 billion. So that is only 2% of the total world's pharma market. So in Pakistan, here there are different companies which are working. Mainly we have multinational corporations and national manufacturing units which are working in Pakistan. So among these multinational companies, the top companies includes the GlaxoSmith, that is GSK, we have Pfizer, we have Abbott, Roche, Johnson and Johnson. Now the top MNC is the GSK, that is holding 12% of the market share. So in the national companies, the Getz Pharma is working group, that is holding 4% market share, and other national companies includes the Bosch, Heineken, Cereal, Wilson. So we have different pharmaceutical companies which are working in Pakistan. Now, what is the value of ethical promotion of the medicines? Why we design rules to promote the medicines? Because the rules are designed on the basis to ensure that your healthcare professionals, your doctors, your physicians are receiving the information about the medicines. They have access to the information. Then your patients have access to the medicines via the professionals with the help of the doctors or physicians. And the ultimate aim is to give benefits to the patients worldwide. So you must design such strategies. You should promote your products in by considering those ethical ways that you are not helping your nation, but you are also promoting your product worldwide. So now, what are the market strategies which are used in Pakistan to promote the products? The first one is one-to-one detailing, that is giving information about your product to the physicians. Definitely, medical reps are giving information to the physicians about the company's product. Then, by giving free samples, ethically, you must give only those samples which have proven clinical trials, proven results. Then the other way is to conduct the clinical meetings, educational programs for the physicians. Then we have sponsorships in conferences and seminars which are provided by the pharmaceutical companies. Then you have donations to the government hospitals. Then what pharmaceutical companies do, they give economical gifts and sometimes expensive gifts, like economical gifts includes pens, torches, tissue papers, expensive gifts, definitely sometimes LEDs, cars. So depending upon the outcome which you will or the profit which you will get from the doctor, definitely this is unethical. Then monetary gifts, which is also unethical. Then personal gifts like cars, flowers. Flowers are definitely, it's okay to give flowers, but cars, this is definitely unethical. Then recreational activities like golf, tickets to these sporting events. Then we have vacational trips. Then sponsoring of the family events or paying for a guest, that is also unethical. Then meals and dinners, if not in connection to an event, this is also unethical. Any form of entertainment, that is companies paying for the musical performances during the dinners, this is also unethical. Now, what are the ethical practices? Definitely, ethical practices include clinical meetings under strict supervision. Then promotional aids are given, but this also under strict supervision. Advertisement should be according to the rules which are given by the draft. We will discuss these rules in our next video. Then hosting of the scientific meetings in the interest of the nation, not in the interest of the particular physician. So definitely you must not give monetary gifts or any such benefits to the physician who is only concerned with his or him. So you must give those scientific, you must host only those scientific meetings which are in the favor or in the interest of your nation. You limited sponsorship to genuine scientific events equally for all the physicians, definitely for in an institution. You have to give equal chances to all the physicians to conduct their research activities, and the results must be regardless of the influence of the pharmaceutical industries. Then you can give meals and the dinners if in connection to an event. So if they are not concerned with any event, or if your own profit or your own interest is in that meal or the dinner, then definitely this is also unethical. So in next lecture, we will discuss the unethical practices. Then we will discuss that what are the rules and regulations to promote your pharmaceutical product.